Baby, stop. So mean. I really don't want to hear it though, because play is messed up, okay? Play is messed up. I don't want to hear it. Ooh. Yeah. Brandon. Oh. Hey y'all. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Brittany, aka Pineapple Vegan. And if you guys want to know how I made these bomb vegan wings, then stay tuned.
Ha! Somebody forgot to turn the mic on. So guess what? Y'all stuck with me. I done took over this page, took over the channel. So stay tuned. You know, we making some cauliflower wings. I know some of y'all was expecting some, you know, some Buffalo Wild Wings, something like that, but it's cauliflower. We're gonna separate it, break it down, cut it down to a nice size. You don't want to be chewing on no big rocks, no lumps or nothing like that. So get your knife. Don't cut your fingers now. You cutting a little fast. Cut it down. That's good right there. Now we got our bowl. You want to get some flour in the bowl for the mixture. You know, I don't know what that is. That's cup, 2 cups. We don't know. It could be a few spoonfuls, a gallon. Hell, I don't know sizes. Then we're gonna get some white stuff. I don't know that's garlic powder, salt. We're gonna throw that in. Either way, we're gonna get some more white stuff. Throw that in, and some more white, yellow. I'm gonna throw some of this yellow stuff. I know what that is. Y'all see it on the screen. Get some black pepper. I know that. Wesley Snipes lips. We're gonna get some Mrs. Dash. You know, gotta watch blood pressure now. But then we're gonna put some Creole seasoning and a little bit of almond milk. Don't want none of that pus milk. You know what I'm talking about? I don't want no cow milk in there now. We're gonna mix it up till it get to a nice consistency. Something like some pancakes without the eggs. We vegan around here. We're gonna pour some more milk because it wasn't enough the first time. And mix it up. In case y'all didn't know, that's Almond Breeze, unsweetened. But if you want that extra protein, this is what I drink. You know, I like vegan gain, so we're gonna get that Silk protein nut milk, 10 grams of protein. Oh, then it's the hot sauce. Yeah. Sprinkle that hot sauce in there, girl. You know what I like. Straight like that. Then we're gonna mix it up. Keep mixing. Whip that work. Then get that vegan ranch. Oh, look at that. Just jizzed all over you when you open that. Girl, you crazy. Watch out now. We're gonna mix it up some more in our little mixing bowl. You know, if you ain't got no fancy mixing bowl like that, you can get you some Tupperware. Then dang, we just move right on with the frying pan. Just already, look, she got our hair all out. She had it tied up. We don't want no hair in the food. And we're gonna get that white stuff. I don't know if that's cocaine. What is that? Is that baby powder? We're gonna put some of that in there at some point in time. I think she's saying something about like putting the cauliflower in the mixture so it stick. I don't know. We're gonna sprinkle some of that baby powder on there. Then we're gonna mix it up with our hands. I don't know if she washed them. You know, don't take my word for it. You're gonna have to ask her. And we're gonna put the cauliflower in the pan, fry it up to it. Look, is she eating? I know you not eating. You got no shame. Look at you. You knew you messed up. Just eating on camera. All right, do what you do. We're gonna take the cauliflower out, put it on the drying rack. Look, this is when she knew she didn't have the mic on. So she went back and thought she turned the mic on, but it still wasn't on. Look, look, look.
Stop! Baby, stop! So mean. So at this point, I've already removed some of them, as you can see. So I'm just gonna let these cook through and get brown as well. And about the tofu chicken, something happened with that. It was taking so long and I got hungry and it was so good. It's still some left, but it's not gonna make it. So now we are going to get a saucepan and we're gonna put it on medium-high heat as well. We're gonna get some of our vegan butter. I like to use the Earth Balance soy-free. So we're just gonna take a big spoonful and put it in the saucepan. Let's bring the heat down to right in the center. And then we're gonna open our wing sauce. Now this is Sweet Baby Ray's wing sauce. I'm gonna add the entire bottle. And something that I like to do, don't judge me, but just add a little bit of water, like literally a drop. And then you just shake it. And then you just pour it in there. Okay, so you're just gonna mix it and heat it through. Good. Okay, just gonna get a little bit of the sauce here. So let's plate it on here. I have some carrots on here and some celery because both are delicious with wings. Look at that. Oh yeah, chicka chicka. Okay y'all, so now it's time to taste it. That is so good. So sorry. I guess I gotta take a bite of the celery because I want y'all to think I'm healthy. Ooh. Okay. I'm video over because it's about to get real nasty and I don't want y'all to see the side of me.
It's Mr. Nasty time.
Okay guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you want notifications anytime I upload new videos, just go ahead and click the notification next to the subscription box. Thank you guys so much and stay tuned for the next video. I am so excited. Bye.